Hello everyone, myself Papita Shri, working as an assistant professor in the Department of Computer Science and Engineering. So today we are going to discuss about the types of arrays. Okay, so first of all, what is an array? So as I said earlier, array is a collection of uh, elements with similar data type. So that is said to be as an array. So in array there are two types. One is one dimensional array and next one is two dimensional array or multi-dimensional array. Okay. So what is two dimensional arrays? So two dimensional arrays are used in a situation where a table of values need to store in an array. So there are a number of values based on the input. So those input has been stored, okay, in the particular situation. Okay, that is said to be as a two-dimensional array. Okay, the syntax for two-dimensional array is data type. So data type means either it can be int or character or float or anything. Okay, so name of the array. So array name, then row size and column size. So this is this is a 2 into 2 matrix or 3 into 3 matrix. Okay, so for example here int a of 3 into 3, so there are 3 rows and 3 columns. Okay, that is said to be as an index. So index has been represented by 0 1 2. Here for example a is a name of array and 0 1 2 3 is an indices, then it will be represented as a of 1, a of 2, a of 3, a of 0. Okay, so for same for column index also. So here a of 0 1 2, there are 3 elements is there. So array size is 3 and 3, column size also 3. Next, so here then another example. So another syntax for that is data type array name, row size and column size equal to list of values. Okay, list of values for those rows and columns has been given as an input. Okay, here the example shows int a of, so 3 matrices, I mean 3 rows is there and 3 columns is there. So the total number of indexes is 3, 0 1 2. So the total number of indexes is 3. So the values has been given as a input. So 8 6 5 2 1 9 3 6 4. Here is an example program where we can declare an array with integer value, an array name of display, and row size is 2 and column size is 3. So here we are using for loop for entering the values. So we need to enter the two-dimensional array elements. Okay, so here we enter the value for 0 and row 0 and 0 column. So we will get the value as 1. Next, display the value of 0 and 1, we will get the value as 2. Okay, display of 0 2, we will get 3, row 1 column 0 4, row 1 column 1 5, and row 1 column 2 6. Okay, so two-dimensional array elements has been displayed here. So here row is 0 and column is 0. So row is 0, column is 1. So this is said to be as a multi-dimensional arrays. Next, we use general syntax for accessing the each and every elements in two-dimensional arrays. Okay, we are using the syntax of data type, array name, then row index, column index. Syntax is name of an array, then index of the row, then index of the column. So here is the example. Name of the array, they will took as matrix A of 0 1. So 0 is a row index and 1 is a column index. That will be a array name, row index, column index. So they will give the value of 10. They will assign the value for these array as 10. Okay. So here these are the example program to find the two matrices of order of 2 into 2 matrix. Okay, so here they use the data type as float, and first they will take the input using the nested loop. So printing the statements by entering the elements of first matrix and printing the statements of increment matrix. Then next they will go to the second element and printing the statement of elements of second matrix. Then adding components and elements of two matrix. Then we will get a sum of matrix. Thank you.